And it's been so long since I've talked to you last. The days and the months have gone by so damn fast. I've been sitting here in my room wondering what you've been doing. So I stepped into the corner bar to buy myself a drink. The music played inside makes me stop and think about the words I said to you on the night that we parted. And I'll be here in the city where the lights are bright at night. Down inside I'm all alone. I should find the telephone and call you so you can make me feel alright. So you find yourself some people with whom you can relate and talk about those things that you love and you hate, and formulate yourself a plan of action of which I'm not a part of. You'll also do a few things you never done before. Immersed in your world, you just want more. Then slowly but surely I'll begin to fade into nothing, 'cause you'll be out in the country, oh, loving your new life, where the tears will fall like drops of rain. Your face will change, I'll stay the same. Like the letters of my name, you'll know them. But will you ever know me again for who I am, or the person that you knew in another time of another place? How could we see that through? Well, maybe we'll get some coffee somewhere down the line. We can talk a while to pass the time. City where the lights are bright at night. Down inside I'm all alone. I should find the telephone and call you so you can make me feel alright.